ES0400 model, unipolar mode pencil, patient plate connected, and here we have a pencil. One is the foot switch. On clicking the foot switch you will get the result, and here you can see after clicking it. Whenever you have a liquid contact or less resistance, then if you touch directly to the patient plate, you will this electrode will get stuck with stick with this patient plate like a welding spot. And here you can see if you have some liquid inside it, like human body which contains a liquid, like our skin which contains some liquid, means you need some resistance in between it, then you will get the result like this. Our Cautry is coming, and here you can see you can adjust this value from one to different spots, and there is some dark area. You can change the pure cut to the blend 1 and blend 2, and there is bipolar function also available. And now we are in blend 1, and in blend 1 you can see different kind of cut. You can see now in blend 1 our we are able to cut from inside of the muscle. Here is the after that you can use forceps for sealing it back.